In this tutorial, we will create a mug from this cube. If you don't already have it in the viewport, you can build one by pressing Shift-A on your keyboard, then Mesh and click on Cube. Now click on Cube and enter Edit mode. In this mode, click on Face Select. Now click on top face, press Delete, then Faces. Now enter wireframe mode with Shift-C. Click on Vertex Select. Select bottom vertices. Press S on your keyboard to resize. Now add a loop cut with Ctrl R. Now add another loop cut. Click to create, move it up. Then another click to apply. Now add another loop cut and drag it down to bottom. Exit the wireframe mode. Add select modifier. Select its thickness to 0.1. Click on Apply. Now add subdivision surface modifier. Change viewport and render value to 2. Now change the view to x-axis. Click on Apply for subdivision modifier. Go to Edit mode. Select two faces with shift click. Make sure they are facing x-axis. Press E to extrude it out. Select this front face, press G, then Z and move it up. Now press R, then Y to rotate it. Now hold Ctrl, then right click on Extrude. Select both the faces, right click and bridge faces. Add a loop cut with Ctrl R. S to resize inward. Add a loop cut. S to resize. Now add subdivision surface modifier. Do not click on Apply. Resize and adjust the vertices until you are satisfied with the shape. Adjust the subdivision settings. Now go to Object and click on Shade Smooth. Create a plane. S to resize. Now go to Shading Workspace. Select the mug and click on New. Delete everything except Material Output. Now go to Add, Shader and Diffuse BSDF. Add glossy BSDF. Add mix shader. Connect mix shader output to surface. Connect diffuse to shader 1 and connect glossy to shader 2. You can change the color with diffuse. Now adjust FAC value to 1.3 or to your liking. Now click on plane in viewport and add a material. Keep material output only. Add diffuse BSDF and connect it to the surface. Change the color if you desire so. Now select your render engine and then click on Render Image.